What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. It's your video coming at you guys with another unboxing. Today we're going to be looking at the Jordan 4 Travis Scott. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. So I ended up purchasing it off of eBay, and I got a pretty good deal. I spent around $500, which is a steal in my opinion. These are not my first Travis Scott 4s. Actually, this is my third pair. I've owned a DS pair, and I owned a pair that was like close to DS, but I beat them up and ended up selling them a while back. I regretted it, but I just never really won. And then I saw a good deal on them again and ended up gonna try it. So if you guys have not ordered off of eBay, it is super simple. It's really easy to get good deals. As you can see, it says meet your soulmates as soon as you open the box. On the other side, it kind of shouts out eBay. I have an authenticity program. Now as we get into it, you see your typical Jordan 4 box right here. You get this to the side. It's crazy, they have a size 12 or maybe it's an I2 inside, but these are size 13. I did get these in my size. As we open up the box to see the condition, and here they are. So like I said, I spent around $500. Definitely are worn. Definitely could use some cleaning, but it was like the cheapest pair online. There's the first shoe. Here is the second shoe. Let's go and set that to the side. I don't remember if it said it came with anything. It looks like it did not. You do have your authentic without a doubt. So as we look into the shoe, pretty much comes with the typical eBay program right here. They put it in here and basically verifies. It's like the StockX tag, which is super cool and nice that they do that. As you guys can see, these are kind of off the color and everything. These are definitely gonna need a good clean. Definitely have to like rebase and everything. I know there's a ton of videos on these, so just kind of going over a quick overview of the shoe. You guys have the blue upper, which if you guys watch this channel, you guys know blue is my favorite color. You have the speckled back right here and cool tag, which is super dope with the red Jumpman. We also have Air Jordan on this side, the tongue, and then we have Travis Scott on this one, which is super cool. And you have, of course, the baby blue midsole that's kind of got the little cutoff for the white, which looks good. Normal black rubber. Have a red Jumpman on the bottom, and these are kind of clear, so I've seen people ice these up. I really don't know how well it's gonna work. Another detail I guess I would go over with you guys is also the blue label right here on the tongue, which is super good. Definitely speckles on the lace locks right here. So these are super cool. Definitely a shoe that I'll just rock a bunch. I like the baby blue. I definitely will get some good wears out of them. And this condition is not terrible, but it just needs to be clean. You gotta be really careful because it's upper. You don't really want to mess up. So I think I'll be able to get these cleaned up. I won't be able to get the creases removed just because I don't like to mess with this material when it's creased up, because I could end up ruining it. So I'll definitely probably just leave it with the creases, throw in a sole shield, and get it cleaned up. So I know this shoe is definitely been on YouTube. Everyone's kind of seen it. I'm just showing you guys my quick little pickup. Make sure you guys stay at the end to see a try on. I'll get these all cleaned up. You guys can see like the after results. And I hope you guys enjoy it. This is just a quick little pickup. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. That helps the channel out so much. I'm doing a ton of videos with Nike Tech and Nike Lab. Also a bunch of unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.